5.9.
9.81.
No, you have to add this to 1992. So roughly in 2001. That'll be the absolute max. And that is percentage. Never leave the answer without a measurement unit, please. Okay, any questions for me, please, on this? Any questions? So let's see what is left from this section, this chapter. We have more applications in 2.5, marginals and differentials, that's 2.6. We do not cover 2.7. And then we have a last section, which is 2.8. So we have 5 minutes left. So let's look at another application in 2.5. More applications. Okay, here's a simple example. Looking at problem 8 on page 254. And that is Q equals 2x squared plus 3y squared. They're asking us to minimize Q, knowing that x plus y equals 5. Okay, so where is our starting point? In this class, we will talk about functions with more than one variable, but not yet. So obviously, I have to replace y squared, solving this equation for y. Can anyone tell us how to solve this equation for y? Y equals?
Y equals 5 minus x.
Very good. Same thing. Awesome. So now I have q, which is indeed a function of x, as 2x squared plus 3, and in parentheses, negative x plus 5 squared. How many terms do we get when we square negative x plus 5?
3.
Very good. Anyone volunteers to give us those 3 terms? If it's easier for you to square with 5 minus x, that's fine too.
Would it be x squared minus 10x
Excellent.
plus 25?
Very good. Okay, so then this is 2x squared plus 3x squared minus 30x and plus 75, and that is 5x squared minus 30x plus 75. So in order to find the minimum of this function, what do I have to find first?
Derivative.
Thank you very much. So q prime 10x minus 30. So I have x. It's quadratic, so domain all real numbers, q prime and q of x. So q prime equals 0. What do I get? X is
3.
very good, awesome. The sign to the left, plug in any number to the left of 3 and any number to the right of 3 so I can find the sign.
Negative on the left and positive on the right.
Very good, awesome. I also want the limits at infinity, and then I also need to plug in 3 in the function. So q of 3 is 5 times 9 minus 90 and plus 75. So 45 plus 75 and minus 90. So what is this? 120 minus 90, I think, is 30. Correct me if I'm wrong. but I need the limits. When we talk about x approaches negative infinity, which of these terms, because it's a polynomial, which of these terms is the most powerful one?
The first degree.
Very good.
Or, yeah, the one to the second degree.
Good. So when x approaches negative infinity, where will the function go?
Positive infinity.
Awesome. When x approaches infinity, where will the function go?
Negative infinity.
But is it
No.
possible like 5x
Oh
squared?
yeah, you're right.
Excellent. So what does the function do?
Decrease.
Is this correct?
No.
Yes.
Yeah. It's decreasing from positive infinity to 30. What does the function do here between 3 and infinity?
Increase.
Is this correct?
Yep.
Good. So we minimized it. So minimum is q of 3 equals 30. For sure. So this is in this situation is also the absolute min, also relative min.